Is that the Westie? You wanna go check it out? Yeah, I see it. Hi friends! Today I have a very exciting sort of life update, travel life update, just something to share with you. It's right behind me. I shared this first on my Instagram stories. I always say that is where you're going to hear about things first, 'cause it's very impromptu. But now we're making a little official first vlog about this thing my husband just bought. He flew out to San Diego, I was so jealous, to meet with this guy to purchase this vehicle. And he went all the way out there to get it because there are only 250 of them in the United States of America. Honey, will you come talk about this thing that you just brought home that I am in love with?
What is it we like to talk about?
Well, let's see. Last time we talked about something, there was an airplane behind us, and that's when we talked about our drone.
I have to get down, aren't I?
Actually, stand back here.
There we go.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right, so you flew out to California to buy this AIRSTREAM? Is it an AIRSTREAM? Is it a Westfalia? Is it a Mercedes?
You know, it took a long time for me to figure that out too. So I think it's three things. It's a Sprinter AIRSTREAM Westfalia.
Westfalia, that's how they
or
say
Westfalia Sprinter AIRSTREAM. I don't think you would go.
A Sprinter chassis.
I don't think you'd go. Well, I guess you could go AIRSTREAM Sprinter Westfalia. There's whatever 9 different combinations of way to say it.
So
3 times 3.
He's been obsessed with AIRSTREAMs for years and learned
It's a healthy
everything
obsession.
about AIRSTREAMs. They're amazing, they're wonderful, but if you've never noticed, I am 5'11" almost. He is 6'3". Our daughter is already the height of a 1-year-old.
She's like 2'9", I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we got in an AIRSTREAM once during our cross-country road trip.
Yeah. Did we take pictures of that?
There was a little bit of it on our video. But we felt cramped. We really did. The curved sides, I mean, they're beautiful.
It's too bad too. I really liked AIRSTREAMs.
You like the fit and finish?
Yeah, the fit and finish, the quality. I mean, for not something that's going to be $1 million.
And this has that.
It does.
And it's a camper van.
It does. It is.
With a Mercedes engine.
It met all of the criteria. It has a 2.75 cylinder turbocharged Mercedes engine. Love.
It's really tall.
It's very torquey.
It's torquey and it's tall and it's amazing
tall.
inside. We're gonna give you
it's like a transformer.
tour.
Are we gonna do a transformer? Did you bring the GoPro or that thing?
I did. We're gonna take the GoPro in there because I think the wide angle lens is going to be perfect and show you just a little bit. We're yet to make it our home. And
I don't know if you can make it a home. It's like a tent that is like really comfortable.
Yeah, we have a home. It's right here. But you know, we're gonna move into it and figure out the best way to kind of like function in it. Anyway, let's go inside. Switching now to the GoPro Hero 6 and let's come inside.
Alright. Hang on, I was going to turn that light on behind you. See, we're going to have to get into this dance here, the 2 of us.
Alright, it's very tall, but
yeah,
you know,
so
it's tight.
I'm 6'3.5", 4", and I'm reaching up to turn this light on. So that's, I mean, that's almost 9 feet. I mean, maybe not that much. Mid-8s.
The downfall of that is that I'm already terrified to drive it because it's really wobbly.
So what do you want to know?
Okay, so like, how do we live in this thing? Where are we going? Are we going camping? Can we take Ella? Where's Ella gonna sleep? Where are we gonna sleep? Oh my gosh.
All these questions.
I know.
All these questions. Well, let's start up front, okay? So it has 2 seats for 2 grown adults, which is us. Ella will have to sit back here in the back, or you can sit in the back with her.
And Ella can sit in the front.
Or, you know, something like that. It's a auto. It's got 5-speed-ish, I think, transmission. And it's got a diesel engine, turbocharged. It doesn't really go much past 70, which is cool. And it's a little bit of a bear in the wind, but, you know, we did some suspension stuff in the back. Anyway, you don't care about that. So comfortable seats, totally captain chairs, relax. Got your e-brake there. Bed up top. So these fold down. Do you want to see it or something, or what?
Yeah. I was fully up there playing with Ella today. We crawled up there.
Yeah.
And it was cool. She was entertained.
So it goes like
Plenty
this.
of headroom for her.
Right? It goes like that. And then you just grab it right here. And
I'm sitting up on the kitchen countertop. right now.
And then you just kind of fold the bed back. Fold the mattress down.
And it is a double bed.
No, I think it's bigger than that. I think it's almost a queen. It's in between
Cool.
a double and a queen.
I'm a queen.
What's super cool is up here you have a couple windows that will pop out. This sunroof will open up entirely. You've got shades for like, you know, blackout, or you have shades over here for bugs. And you can get a nice breeze going through here. And then, you know, you get up, you just climb up on top, jump in, you put your head down on this side. Vice up here, Vice in the back. We're just keeping it there for other storage and stuff.
Now, you guys like to see Ella in every video. I know. And she's asleep right now, but I'm going to cross-cut in some footage of her doing her thing. She loves it.
She was playing up here like a manimal.
Yes, I think she likes it.
All right, so that was the bed. Right here is the bench seat. This actually also folds into a bed as well. I'm just slides forward on these tracks. And you can make a nice bed. You have a nice little coffee rest right here if you're just chilling. Under here is a table that comes out and hooks into the side, and these rotate around, which is pretty cool.
Do that, please, because that is the coolest.
Okay.
It's the coolest. This van, what we like about it is it's just brilliant use of space. So everything is multifunctional, and yeah, the driver's seat and the passenger seat become these amazing, just like parts of the living room. I guess that's what this is. How cool is that?
It's cool, man.
So this is the this is the driver's seat, and this is the passenger seat. And now it's like a 4-person table.
That's right, and the table comes down.
And there's a table that goes here.
Or you can have a couple people chilling. We're actually a little far up. I think you can. There you go.
Whoa, dude.
Yeah. So, fun. You're not all up in so much junk. You can actually sit down and enjoy it.
Because we're going to have lots of people in here.
It's a party. Like, at least 8 people should be in here at all times. Man, it's still hot in Florida at 8 at night.
Oh, yeah. Sweltering.
I know. We should at least, run the AC, but...
Yeah. There's a generator, which has the AC and everything, but we're just in our driveway, so...
Oh, we got to show them the kitchen and everything, right?
Of course.
Yeah. So, up top, cruise up. You got your cleaning supplies. You got your coldies up in this right here. So you got a fridge, which is pretty neat. And then over here you have the cooking station. 2 burner stoves, sink, little pot and pan storage area. Up here are your shot glasses, your beer mugs, and your pretzels with some coffee mugs to boot. We're doing some work up there. Closet in the back, which is pretty neat.
That's gonna hold all my clothes.
You're gonna have to learn to downsize.
Actually, I'm not worried about my clothes. I'm worried about camera gear. I'm like, where am I gonna keep my gear?
Oh, you have plenty of room. And then, last but not least, the thinking chair. And it's also a wet bath, so that means that pops out here if you want to get a shower. Just pull it out, hang it up.
Okay, so that hangs up. These are the things us ladies are most concerned about. So it's the toilet, and the shower is kind of on the toilet?
Well, everything can get wet inside there, is
Right.
the idea. Hence the wet bath. This is 18 feet, so...
Yeah, and the
you
cool
got a lot of
thing...
stuff.
The cool thing about this size is you can park it on any city street. So you don't need an RV, like camping spot.
That's right.
You can literally park it anywhere. And
In fact, I drove it back from LA and I stayed 2 nights in Walmart parking lots and then the other night on the just a city street corner in San Antonio, which is pretty cool.
And if any of you are wondering about the baby, because of course this is our, former life. Definitely we could do this, but we're working in the baby, so we think that if we lay this bed, this becomes a bed too. If we lay this down,
Yep.
it becomes flat, and then we can put the pack and play on top of it. But I think...
Oh, I guess you could put the pack and play on top
Yeah,
of the bed.
because there's not enough floor space for the
Oh,
pack
yeah.
and play. And
I
she's
didn't
at
think
the
about it.
age where she needs to be contained.
That would absolutely fit. That would absolutely work because this whole thing goes down.
But I think that little bear is going to sleep right up here with us.
I think I just saw it. I will sleep probably downstairs. You guys will have up top.
No, we're going to cuddle.
Oh, it's got a TV too. Did I mention that?
yeah, like a DVD
It
player.
actually has a DVD player. There were only 250 of these, I guess, imported from Europe. And they've got these all over Europe. It's branded something differently, but it's pretty cool. So 2004, 2005, that's it. This is a 13-year-old RV. And, you know, I'm sure a TV with a DVD player in it was high tech, but it still works. You know, you can plug in something to make it go. It's got a good radio. It doesn't really have Bluetooth, so I might have to somehow hack that. But all in all, I mean, the fit and finish of these things is phenomenal. It really is. I mean, these things are, as they say, brick S houses, you know? It's just tiny. Make it work. They did a really good job. It's like a Transformer RV.
It's perfect for our first RV.
Yes, first
and I
RV.
guess a lot of people who just follow my travel life, which has toned down a bit since I had Ella, there's no doubt in that, are probably wondering, like, where are we going to go?
Local.
What are we going to do?
Local,
yeah,
dude.
we're so into exploring Florida right now.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Maybe not right now because it's so hot.
Florida
in
in July is miserable, but I mean, Florida from November till March is awesome.
Yeah, or even this fall. This fall's going to be amazing. So stay tuned to the channel because I'll be talking more about our adventures in this. If you guys are in the side of AMA TV that is into travel vlogging or learning how to travel vlog, make sure you download my latest document, my top 10 tips for travel vlogging. A lot of great information in there, and I'll put a link to that in the video description below.
Do it. She works hard on it.
I did.
Truly.
I did writing. Usually I do video, but this was writing because I really want to see you guys travel vlog for me since I'm kind of in a... Not a, you know.
You're being a mom.
We were, yeah.
Good Lord, you got a 10-month-old. It's not like you can be like crushing Hungary
Europe
right now.
Yeah, we did Europe. God, you were all over Europe for the longest time, and I was around too. So all those videos are in the past, and what's coming up is more tips about travel vlogging and filmmaking and our adventures in the Westie.
Yes, in the Westie. It's going to be fun. Beaches and barbecues.
We'd love for you to join us. So subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna say goodbye now because I'm sweating.
We're closing the
yes.
See, metaphorically
shutting it down.
And literally.
Shutting it down.
All right.
Ella, say bye bye. Bye bye. She just started waving this week.